long-lost Navajo remedy restores hearing for 477 people. You may find this shocking, but recently, a retired aerospace engineer with Navajo heritage found an old recipe that was given to his great-grandmother many years ago. The recipe belonged to a Navajo Medicine Man or Hatałii, and it was a remedy that repairs hearing loss. The engineer gave his wife and mother the remedy, and within 3 weeks had astonishing results. So far, over 477 people from all around the world with a vast variety of hearing issues have drastically improved their hearing with the remedy. The feedback has been incredible. Follow the link below to find out how you can have pristine, clear and lasting hearing in just a few weeks. Go here now to fix your hearing forever. http://Clear 2-minute trick restores hearing info Proco.